morning guys. So you will realise that we did take a break from vlogging yesterday because we literally spent the whole day trying to get this house in some sort of order. As you can see, all this has been tidied up. Leanne done all this, and it's probably not going to stay that way for long if I'm honest, but it's done now and it's such a relief to have that tidied. So while Leanne was doing that, I was doing the sitting room, which still looks in decent order if I'm honest. So all that's been tidied up. There was literally toys everywhere, and she's got so many toys, and literally she doesn't play with, I'd say 60% of them she didn't even play with, and they're all just scattered around the place. So we've done that. We're still not even near getting the place to where we want it, but it was a big start. And when you've got two kids in the house, it's really not easy. So we just didn't have time to clean the house and vlog at the same time. So we just thought, look, we'll take a day off, get the place up to a standard the way we want it. And honestly, when you come in and sit down in a clean house, it makes such a difference. Now, it's not that the house wasn't clean, it just wasn't tidy. And you're sitting here and it's just annoying. This chair, still, I don't think I've seen the cushion you sit on of that chair for about a month. So there's a big pile of ironing on that Leanne just hasn't had a chance to get around to doing. And now somebody's cutting, cool, somebody's cutting the grass outside my house. I'm not going to go stop him anyway. So yeah, as you know, it is, I think it's Tuesday, which means it's work day. So Leanne's mum has the kids, so I need to get upstairs and get to work before Leanne finishes. Hopefully if the weather holds up, I might see does Leanne want to go for a walk today, and we'll get out with the kids. Work is complete. Now I just have to sit around and wait for Leanne to come home with the kids because now I'm bored. So Leanne has literally just pulled up outside. She has got the kids in the car, so we're going to attempt to go for a walk. Now I say attempt because there's some black clouds outside and it doesn't look overly convincing that the rain's going to hold off, but we'll give it a shot. Hopefully don't get stuck in a thunderstorm because that would be my worst nightmare. Let's go. Do you want to go for a walk, Sophia?
Yeah.
Sure, let's go.
What?
Say, let's hit the road.
No, don't hit the road.
We have just made a quick pit stop because we're pretty hungry. So what are we going to get? Well, what are Mum and Daddy getting? We're getting chicken.
No, I don't like that.
Mum and Daddy are getting chicken.
Oh, yeah.
You're getting something else.
What's he called?
Happy Hippo.
Is that a good treat?
He has got
Okay, eat it then before it gets everywhere.
Mmm.
What's inside?
he got.
Now why did I do that? Because I refused to spoon with you last night? Why did I do that?
Look, you can sit in this special chair.
Ooh, look.
You want to sit in this one?
Yeah.
You get the special chair yourself.
Wow.
Want to move in a bit?
We're gonna have our lunch.
Don't put it on the table.
We're having chicken.
What was that?
What are you doing? You having a rest?
I love picnics, Daddy.
You love picnics?
You're the best.
Let's go find some more on the tree.
family like? Oh, they're absolutely nuts. Where is everyone? Where is everybody? Feeling left out, Charlotte? Feeling left out?
Be quiet now, Sophia. Sophia, stay there. Stay there. Quiet.
Sophia, is it feed time? Are they all going to run after the train?
Stay close now, Sophia.
Get ready, here comes the train. Here they come.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you steady?
How fast do you want to go? Really fast? Here we go.
I see the ball. You're gonna run over the ball. We have found the missing ball. Yay! Charlotte dropped her ball on the way and I think it's been... There it is. It's right near dog poop. So we're going to have to wash it before we give it back to you. Yeah, so we were just walking down a minute ago and I had turned around and two deer, like it must have been a male deer and a female, had the big antlers on, and I literally just walked across the path and I was so annoyed because I had the camera out but I hadn't had it on recording, but I actually managed to film the baby deer or mother deer, whichever one it was, and I kind of just stopped in the path for a second, so it was pretty cool to see. It's probably one of the ones I have up here that's got out, but it was pretty cool to see it anyway, wasn't it, Babsy? Yeah, and she's decided she doesn't want to be in the pram, so I'm resorted to carrying her now, and I'm wrecked. We are at home now, all in our jammies, apart from Matt and Charlotte, so only me and Sophia are in our jammies. You got into your jammies. Your teeth bugging you.
You just need a nap, don't you, kid?
Oh my gosh.
Right, Darth Vader.
Did you have fun today?
Yeah.
Okay, the battery's gonna go, so let's give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and we will see you tomorrow. Say bye. Bye.